If you wish to use your iPad as a whiteboard to use for video conferencing calls, you can use Quicktime Player. You would go to your Finder on your Mac, go to Applications, and then Quicktime Player. The only thing that really changes is at the top by the Apple, it will say Quicktime Player. You will go to File and then New Movie Recording. When this pops up next to the Record button, this little arrow allows me to choose which camera. The default is FaceTime HD camera, but when I have plugged in my iPad into my Mac using my charger cord, I can choose my teacher iPad. Once I'm on my iPad screen, I can go to the Whiteboard app or the Notes app in order to do a whiteboard application for a video conferencing call. The Whiteboard app has a pencil and pen. Could erase it. There are a few things like a ruler and other devices like that. I can also use my camera and show something physical if needed. But I can also import screens from my camera roll on my iPad or from the cloud or anything like that. I can also use my notes. I can click down here at the pencil and use it in the same way. You can use a stylus that has palm rejection technology so that it only reads the stylus tip opposed to your hand on the screen, or just use your finger. You may pause the video now if you need a step-by-step list of how to do this process. But remember, how you get it to show up on your Meet video call would be to click Present and swipe to show your iPad screen as we have set it up in Quicktime Player.
Well, that wraps up another great episode of Innovate Your Classroom. Stay tuned for more with Chris,
Sarah, Krishana, Paige, Stacy,
and Rob.